Hey, adrenaline junkies, welcome to Police Chase.
Oh my god. Oh. What? Oh my gosh.
Hands up! Hands up!
Oh, c'est pas...
Las Vegas, Nevada. The Nevada Highway Patrol released body camera footage showing a fatal officer involved shooting in the Northeast Valley on October 3rd, 2021. The suspect, 41-year-old Adrian Zarate Cervantes, had reportedly been fighting with his wife before calling 911 himself. Trooper Michael Abat first stopped Zarate Cervantes around 8:19 a.m., with Trooper Mark Wilner arriving moments later.
Ki problem ki gen le polis yo stop? Ou va camper, so ki problem ki gen? De ou moun nan kon sa ou tou ba insécurité ka prégle. On va dans les gon bagay di va fle aucun bilan sama avec whatever. Ils gon ba la cacher. C'est police campo et travail à faire, yo pas tuer pas font rien, absolument vérifier machine ou bien regarder sous légal le genre de bail ça. Et si même peu importe ce que tu as fait, depuis au menotté pas gain carré encore rien. Na échange de tir police est professionnel lié. Police professionnel et cela Haïti police mourir n'importe qui gens.
Hands up!
Oh my gosh.
Come out so we can help him.
Ouais ça me dit là.
Come out so we can help him.
Celsius.
We need to help him. Come out of the car.
Ah, gon l'autre mon machine encore.
Driver, put the car in park.
Oh, bah fait non.
All right, let's come. Head out of the car with your hands up.
Sorti dans machine avec moi.
Out of the car with your hands up.
Oh, il y a même cette n'importe encore.
Both troopers ordered Zarate Cervantes to exit his vehicle with his hands raised. Footage shows him reaching into his waistband as if drawing a gun, prompting both troopers to fire one round each. Zarate Cervantes fell to the ground.
Polisye well professional. Where you cache des potes, you abrite yo même kon ko tout ye même. So well vision gen do gon lot ki gen ti yo, on. Ouais une contrôle situation, so lever moi là bon. Depuis on fait bagay illégal pratiquement pas bien en tête, on parce que l'argent de pays ça qui va dire insécurité non mais après un bon petit garder, on c'est que
and officers immediately rendered first aid, but he was pronounced dead at the scene. Investigators later confirmed he had no weapon. Los Angeles, California. On May 19th, 2024, at approximately 6:40 p.m., officers from the LAPD Southeast Patrol Division responded to a call reporting an assault with a deadly weapon in the 100 block of West Colden Avenue. The suspect, later identified as 42-year-old Wilver Blanco, was reportedly armed with a knife under the influence of narcotics and chasing an elderly man in the street.
Under the side de Misye était sous influence narcotique, on doit oublier. Okay.
Upon arrival, officers found Blanco standing behind a parked vehicle, clutching a knife in his right hand. They took cover behind their patrol car doors and repeated.
You know what I'm bon personnel on qui ça fait police tirer un monde qui bon so gen couteau dans mon wa mais de toute façon qui ça fait un police tirer un monde qui seulement un couteau dans main. On est I'm just
repeatedly ordered him to drop the weapon.
Est-ce que ça va la couteau après? Comme c'est son influence narcotique,
Suspect are now West Colden Avenue. Suspect is a neighbor, male Hispanic. Christian, additional pair of calls. Advise suspect's a neighbor, male Hispanic, wearing no shirt, gray pants, running up and down the street with a knife.
Blanco ignored the officer's commands and instead climbed onto the vehicle's rear bumper. Moments later, still holding the knife, he stepped down, crouched, and suddenly charged toward one of the officers. This prompted an officer-involved shooting. Blanco was struck by gunfire, and officers quickly moved in to detain him and provide first aid until paramedics arrived.
Jamais você vai cartucho da ambulância só pra falar, viu? Isso é o que você vai dizer. O que você vai lá de tudo até? Deve ficar nisso, isso é só influência de você. Tudo mais.
Let's go.
Isso é tirer sans hesitation. Ela tá
Get
fé
that
por
knife
isso,
out of
né?
the way as soon as possible. Kick that knife out of the way or something. All right, take him custody.
It's crazy.
Hey, someone.
Los Angeles
Oh,
Fire
I didn't
Department
see- oh
personnel
my
transported
gosh.
Blanco to a nearby hospital, where he was pronounced dead shortly after arrival.
Yeah?
No officers or bystanders were injured during the encounter. Investigators recovered an 8.5-inch folding knife with a 3.5-inch blade at the scene.